Hi, I'm Jerry Gibbs, and today I'd like to look at how we apply dehumidifiers to a flooded house. So I've connected the lay flat tubing to the manifold, and I've just simply used elastic bands because there's nothing complicated here. And all that's left for me to do is to process the humid air coming from the dehumidifier. In this case, I'm just going to purge that out of the window, and all I need to do now is turn it on. So we can see now the air coming from the dehumidifier inflates the ducting and pushes that air into our tent. And we've created our focused drying regime. So it doesn't really matter what's going on in the kitchen, people cooking, people boiling kettles, boiling potatoes and pasta. The humidity that's normally generated in a kitchen is not going to affect that wall. The only thing that affects that is the dry air from the dehumidifier. It's a dedicated system. And that's efficient.